cover? Because I just got it again.
This goes out to all the kids them who eat in their parents' car and leave all type of garbage inside of it to mess up the vehicle. Parents, you need to make them clean out the vehicle for themselves and they understand not to eat in the vehicle. Look on Cameron's side, how it's messy and dirty.
How are you doing a video?
You're blind? Showing how you're nasty. Look on Kaylee's side. Be nasty too. She gotta clean everything up. I'm not doing it. Crazy. And Garrick clean up off him and Chase side. Rub it properly, Garrick. I'm not doing it. They gotta do that. They made the mess. Parents, take a lesson. This is lesson 1. Later on I'll show you lesson 2. This is lesson 2. After they clean inside, you gotta come outside and clean. I'm not gonna do it.
You already said that.
I'm gonna say it again. I'm not gonna do it.
Okay.
Go on in on the other side. Anytime your kids mess up inside, you gotta clean the outside too. So next time they know so they're not gonna mess up inside, because they don't want to do it. That's how I did it. That's how I roll.
There's poop on the rim.
Yeah, clean it off.
It won't come off.
Rub it.
I've been rubbing it.
It will come off. Camera, you don't know on your side, it, I don't. Where you come on this side for? Come and see what you do. That like it clean to you? Rub the thing. Get the dirt off. You guys gonna keep the inside of the car dirty? Hmm? Because you guys don't want to do this no more, don't it? Eh? Anytime you keep in the inside of your mom's vehicle dirty, this is what I'm going to do every Saturday. So every Friday when I come home, I'm going to inspect the vehicle if it's dirty. I don't know what's wrong with you guys. After you make the girls them soap it up, soap up the vehicle, you make the boys them wash it off. So the two bad boys, I'm going to wash it off right now. Wash off the soap, Garrick. Look down the bottom right there. Yeah. Huh?
I put this towel up on here.
He's going to wet you up.